Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I am joined by Coryn today. So right now we are going to do the Disposable Camera Challenge. We are each going to take 15 minutes and up to 27 photos. We are each going to use a theme that you guys submitted earlier this week through Instagram, and we are going to try to take pictures that we feel best reflect that theme. And at the end of the video, we want you guys to try and guess what theme we got. Okay, so right now I am going to take the themes that you guys submitted and put them in a random generator thing, and we are each going to see what theme we got, but we will not be able to show you guys. So you go first.
So I click randomize?
Yeah. Yes, number one.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right.
Okay. Should be fun. All right, let's go.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, that's all I need.
In the light, just as I remember, oh so fly.
How do I make this not look like a stock photo?
Do you think there is a chance you'll make up your mind? Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I'm meant you're one of a kind. Just let me have you all around. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight, above the starry sky. Don't say you don't wanna. If you're down for a surprise, it's a never-ending ride.
Alright, so that happened. What were your thoughts?
It was very challenging.
Yeah.
I think we went well over the 15 minutes
Yes.
mark.
Yeah.
That's okay. We can do whatever rules we want, but I'm also a perfectionist about my own work, and I feel like it has to be at this high level, and trying to get something perfect
Right.
in 15 minutes with very little notice is not possible. No, that's okay. I just need to be okay with that. But I'm excited to see how these turn out.
I'm very much the same. I have to remind myself this is for fun. This is the whole point of the series is so I can learn from photographers I admire. So I think as long as I learned something, this whole thing would not have been a waste. I'm also very grateful for my 3 lovely models who were braving the cold. I don't know, I'm really excited to see how these come out. I'm nervous because we aren't able to see them as we're taking them, so it's just kind of up to fate at this point, but it was really fun. All right, well, thank you guys so much for making this possible. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.